Hi guys, welcome to new tutorial. My name is Ahmed and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account forever in just few simple steps. Okay, first tap the link given to you in the description or in the pinned comment. After that you'll be redirected to this page as you can see here, okay? Then enter your username or email, then hit next. Then enter your password, then hit next. Then scroll down, then tap delete my account, then enter your password, then hit continue. And like that, you can delete your Snapchat account. But keep in mind you only have 30 days in case you regret and want to recover your account. And after 30 days, your account will be completely deleted, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video, bye.